Hello everyone and welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen. Today I will be preparing Kesar-Badam Thandai. Thandai is a refreshing and rich milk-based drink which is mostly associated with the Indian festivals of Mahashivratri and Holi. Today is Mahashivratri and I thought what better way to celebrate Mahashivratri than by preparing Thandai. Thandai can be made with mango, rose or nuts like almond, pista and cashew. Thandai can be served cold, chilled or warm too. So, to make the most refreshing glass of Thandai, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 12 to 15 pistachio, 15 to 20 almonds, 12 to 15 cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon of green cardamom pods, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, ½ teaspoon of saffron, ½ liter of milk, full fat. You can replace it with almond or soy milk for a vegan recipe, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Take a large bowl and add the almonds, cashew nuts, pistachio, green cardamom pods, peppercorns, fennel seeds. Then add enough hot water to cover all the ingredients and soak them for a minimum of 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Now let's prepare the saffron milk. Take a wide and a heavy bottomed pot or a pan and add the milk. Heat it, and once you see slight bubbles on the surface of the milk, add the sugar, stir it and cook for a minute. Then add ½ teaspoon of saffron strands and cook for 2 to 3 minutes till the saffron is dissolved and the color of the milk changes to light yellow. Turn off the heat and add the nutmeg powder and stir continuously. Then let it cool. Now blanch the almonds and de-seed the cardamom pods. Keep the seeds and discard the pod. Take a grinding jar and add all the soaked nuts and cardamom seeds. Then add little water or milk and grind it into a fine and a smooth paste and keep aside. Once the milk has cooled, add the paste and stir it well. Keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours and serve it cold by garnishing it with some saffron strands and rose petals. You can also add ice cubes before serving, or you can serve them at room temperature or warm. Enjoy your glass of cool and refreshing Thandai. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your family and friends.